Teresa.
What?
What do you do when your old man and your son start getting on your nerves?
Okay, here goes.
You know how when you get these things, you can hear the ocean, y'all. These shells, they say.
Peace, serenity, peace, serenity.
Bag lady down at Panama. She's a bag lady. Carrying it.
See who's doing all the work?
Ma'am, do we know you? I found this bag lady down here in Panama. Are you okay? You need $1 or two?
Get out of my way.
Oh, it's beautiful out here.
Don't leaving me again. The chainers on the back.
Ooh, there goes a bird. Seagull. Seagull. There goes a bunch of little seagulls. See people out there trying to, I don't know what they're doing over there. My sister says it's something not really good. They're not snorkeling. That's just so beautiful, the sound of it. Listen. I mean, talk about sleep. I have a noise machine on my phone, an app, and when I can't sleep good, I download it and I listen to the ocean.
Yeah, I can do it. Sit right here and take them off easy, even with all the noise.
Yes.
Oh, thunder like okay.
And at night, when the waves come up, when the tide goes down, they come up and get in the groove in the sand and lay and try to hide and cover yourself up.
Y'all look at these little crabs.
I did not know that. Wow.
They're coming out of their shells. I'm not going to keep those. I'm going to put them back in the ocean, but there's still little crabs in them. Hey. Watch this, keeps messing up. I have to keep writing it. Yay! Say hello. You know you're just... Tyler said the apple don't fall far from the tree.
I know, that's why I look like Brenda. You look like Brenda.
No, I think I look more like Mama.
Yeah, I look like Mama. Everybody agree. Me, you look like
Well, we're fixing to head, get ready to pack up in a little while. Get a little footage for y'all. A colada.
Strawberry colada.
Any extra ingredients or anything?
Ask Tyler who made it.
Tyler, are they? My sister's over here building little sand castles. Look at that.
Tyler the tyrant.
Tyler the Taro.
Arrow. See what way it tells you to go.
Woo. This look like Jimmy's
On the
feet.
right is they got, it's called Crab Island. And they have there'll be all these boats in the water and party shacks and everything.
Hey, Keegan called last night and he said that when he was down here that he went to a place called Dirty Dick's and he got a shirt that said I got my crabs at Dirty Dick's. It's a restaurant.
Yeah.
It's a crab place where you eat crab.
And then they give you a hat, looks like a big condom.